dos, y un, dos, tres, y... Bueno, sí. Camina.
Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. Before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to my subscriber 456. Thank you for your beautiful comments, prima. Now, today, green, tangy, and a little spicy. Today we're making fresh Tomatillo Salsa. It's so simple. Once you try it, you'll never go back to the store-bought stuff. Let's get started making green Tomatillo Salsa. So what will you need to make this green salsa? You'll need tomatillo, part of the tomato family, but it's extremely tangy. And so you take off the husks and you'll use that. White onion, I'm gonna use jalapeno. You're gonna use garlic, some cilantro, some salt, and that's it. You can go ahead and put this on a roasting dish and put this in the oven for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna use a grill, and you wanna make sure that you get it really nice and charred. Once that, it gives the flavor to it. This is a specialty dish of the state of Oaxaca. Let's get started. Once again, you can put these on a roasting pan and put them on the broiler for about 8 minutes. I'm going to be using a roasting pan here, a griddle, and we're gonna put these on there with the chili. You wanna make sure that you leave the garlic with its skin on top until they're completely roasted. You wanna move them around completely until they get roasted all the way around. Once that's done, you're ready to move forward and go ahead and put it into your blender. Okay, they're charred all the way around. If you do this in the oven, you want to make sure that you're taking a look at it and move them if you need to, and you want to make sure that this juice starts to come out. When this juice starts coming out, it means that we're ready to move forward. So we'll take it over to our blender. Our garlic is nice and toasty. As we open this up, it's going to be beautiful, and we're ready to move forward. Put it into our blender. We're going to add our cilantro and onion afterwards, and then we'll add our salt. So once we're ready with our tomatillos over there, we're gonna go ahead and chop our cilantro up, and we set that aside. I use my onion. I don't grill my onion because I like that little bite in my salsa. So I go ahead and put my onion in. I'm putting a quarter of onion into this, and we're ready to move forward. And we're gonna put in our tomatillo, our chile, and our garlic into the blender. I'm going to pulsate. I like it a little chunky. So we're ready to put in our tomatillos. We'll go ahead and get them over here, put them into the blender. And as I said previously, I'm going to pulsate them, and we're gonna add all this together. We're going to put our chiles in, and we're gonna put in our garlic. And what we're gonna do with our garlic is we're just gonna open it up carefully. It's gonna be super hot. You wanna open this up and take out that beautiful garlic, which is already nice and soft and caramelized. And we're going to put that inside here, just like that. And we're gonna pulsate all of it together until it's really nice. Okay, I have everything in my blender. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pulsate it. And I wanna leave it a little chunky. And that's it. I'm ready to move forward. I'm gonna add my cilantro, my onion, and a little bit of salt, and let's give this a taste. Okay, now we're ready. We're gonna add in our cilantro into our bowl here. We're gonna add some onion into our bowl here, and we can adjust what we'd like in this. We move that there like that. We put it in our salsa. It's nice and hot. And I didn't make it too spicy. I only put one chile jalapeno in. I mix it all together, and then I go ahead and add my salt to taste. I can taste it and then go ahead and add more if needed. I mix it through, and let's see what this is like. Let's get a chip here and see what it tastes like. I tell you, this is so good. You'll never go back to the store-bought stuff. Try making green salsa with tomatillo. Enjoy.